Welcome to our deep dive into the Mac Mini M5, Apple's latest innovation in the realm of compact desktops. In this video, we explore the groundbreaking features, specifications, and anticipated release details of the M5 Mac Mini, set to redefine performance standards in 2025. That Apple's journey into custom silicon began in 2020 with the M1 chip, followed by the M2, M3, and M4. Each generation brought enhanced CPU and GPU performance, better energy efficiency, and deeper macOS integration. With the Mac Mini M5, Apple has taken the foundation it built over the past 5 years and pushed it even further. The Apple M5 represents a leap in computational power, fabricated on TSMC's 3nm N3P process, offering a better performance per watt ratio and lower thermal output. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution in compact desktop computing. The heart of the new Mac Mini is the Apple M5 processor. Built with a 12-core CPU, including 8 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. This chip offers unparalleled multitasking, app responsiveness, and power optimization. The M5 chip also integrates a 16-core GPU in the base variant, with a possible 18-core version for higher-end configurations. A 40-core neural engine, optimized for AI and machine learning tasks. Support for PCIe 5.0, drastically increasing SSD read/write speeds. An advanced media engine, capable of handling 8K video editing and multiple 4K ProRes streams without a hitch. Early performance benchmarks suggest the M5 outpaces the M4 by up to 25% in CPU performance and nearly 35% in GPU rendering speeds, setting a new standard for compact desktops. The Mac Mini M5 2025 model has undergone a refined design evolution. The chassis now comes in midnight and starlight finishes. It's 20% slimmer and has improved thermals. The internal fan system is redesigned for quieter operation during heavy tasks. Despite its compact size, Apple has managed to maintain a full desktop-grade performance profile. The reduced footprint allows for better placement in creative studios, minimalist setups, and clutter-free office environments. That IT retains its unibody aluminum design, which is made from 100% recycled aluminum, aligning with Apple's commitment to sustainability. The Mac Mini M5 introduces Unified Memory Architecture, UMA 3.0. This means RAM and GPU share the same memory pool, significantly boosting performance and reducing latency in data-heavy tasks. Memory options: 16 GB base memory, expandable to 24 GB or 48 GB, upgraded LPDDR5X memory with up to 8,533 metric tons per second bandwidth. Storage options: 512 GB SSD base, up to 2 TB SSD in higher configurations. Now supports PCIe 5.0, doubling the data bandwidth compared to PCIe 4.0. Result: lightning fast boot times, quicker app loading, and seamless handling of large video, 3D, and CAD files. Apple is doubling down on on-device intelligence with the Mac Mini M5. The upgraded neural engine allows faster Siri responses, more advanced voice dictation and transcription, improved image recognition and sorting in photos, enhanced FaceTime background processing, accelerated workflows in AI-powered apps like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and Adobe Creative Suite. With macOS 15.16's AI-powered Spotlight, background blur, real-time translation, and auto-summarization, the Mac Mini M5 becomes the hub of your smart workflow. The Mac Mini M5 is expected to ship with macOS 15 or macOS 16, optimized for AI-enhanced multitasking, continuity features with iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch, handoff, universal clipboard and stage manager, instant access to iCloud stored files, notes, messages, and more. The Mac Mini acts as a control hub for your smart home or creative setup, pairing flawlessly with Apple Studio Display, HomePod, and iPad Sidecar. macOS brings new privacy features, gaming optimizations with Metal 4, and more. Apple continues pushing forward with its sustainability initiatives. The Mac Mini M5 uses 100% recycled aluminum, rare earth magnets, and tin and solder. Packaging is now fiber-based, eliminating plastics. Energy-efficient components reduce power draw during idle states. Apple's goal is a 100% carbon-neutral product lineup by 2030, and the Mac Mini M5 brings them closer. This device is not just for Apple fans. The Mac Mini M5 is designed for creative professionals needing high-performance video, design, or audio capabilities, developers building apps or running virtual environments, gamers exploring Apple Arcade or cloud gaming, students and educators in need of fast, reliable desktop, office users wanting a clean, minimal, powerful workstation. This is also perfect for YouTubers, podcasters, and streamers looking for a reliable desktop at a great price-to-performance ratio. While Apple hasn't confirmed pricing yet, industry leaks suggest base model 16GB RAM/512GB SSD, $599. Higher-end M5 Pro, 24GB RAM/1TB SSD, $1,299 to $1,499. Launch expected in October or November 2025, alongside other Apple M5 chip devices. The Mac Mini M5 is expected to be available online in Apple stores and through authorized resellers shortly after the reveal. The Mac Mini M5 is a clear signal that Apple is all in on desktop performance in a small package. With an M5 chip that crushes benchmarks, next-gen AI capabilities, and connectivity that rivals full towers, this is one of the most capable compact desktops ever made. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in tech innovations. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What feature of the Mac Mini M5 excites you the most?